only couples here. This song is meant for couples only. So sorry if you are single, I'm sorry because this music for couples. This guy is so romantic. I love this song. Shaku, do them, man.